Garden Tools Set, Gardening Gifts, Gardening Tools Set, 9-piece Garden Tools Set, Digging Claw, Gardening Gloves, Succulent Tools Set, Planting Tools, Gardening Supplies Basket, Rake Gloves. Amazing Garden Tool Kit offers heavy-duty tools and accessories with a solid support base, super stable garden tote bag. Hands down the best garden tool bag you can buy on Amazon. Made from 100 quality materials, beautiful khaki 600D fabric, high caliber cast aluminum, no more rusting tools. Our latest design garden tote bag set includes right and left hand gardening gloves with fingertips claws, perfect for all your garden needs: digging, weeding, loosening soil and transplanting.
2.
NAYE Garden Tool Set, cute gardening gifts for women, birthday gifts for mom. Floral pattern garden tool set, 9 pieces garden tool kit has a handy tote bag, pruning shear, garden trowel, transplanter, weeder, hand fork, hand rake, kneeling pad and garden gloves. Durable materials, gardening hand tools are made of solid aluminum, rust-proof and sturdy. Ergonomic rubber handles, comfortable and soft. Anti-slip rubber handle, reduce hand fatigue. Ergonomic design handle gets you through a long day gardening work.
3.
FiveJoy Garden Tool Set, 11-piece aluminum alloy hand tool starter kit with garden bag, 11-piece gardening set. This essential all-in-one gardening set includes a large trowel, small trowel, hand rake, cultivator, weeder, pruning shears, 100 feet gardening rope, handheld sprayer, digging claw, gardening gloves, pruning snips, and an Oxford cloth tote to keep all your tools packed away and organized so you can prune, dig, weed, aerate, and plant to perfection.
4.
Garden Tool Set, 10 pieces stainless steel heavy-duty gardening tool set with soft rubberized non-slip ergonomic handle storage tote bag, gardening tool set gift for women and men. 10 pieces premium gardening tools. Our gardening tools can meet most gardening needs. The garden tool set have saw, snips, trowels, weeder, rake and fork, which are used for loosening soil, weeding, cutting trees and branches, digging and transplanting. Durable, the gardening tools makes with thick stainless steel, sharp, stronger and harder to bend or break.
5.
Giftable Garden Tools Set, alloy gardener's gardening tools, fashion horticulture flower style storage yard tool organizer handbag. The material is higher than other similar products. The non-slip handle will not make you tired, made of TPR soft rubber. The metal is made of black thick iron, which will not be easily deformed and broken, and will not rust after long-term storage, and waterproof. Truly high-quality gardening tool kit. This kit contains trowel, transplanter, hand rake, hand hoe and fork, pruning shears, sprayer, garden line, garden gloves, and handbag. Appropriate gardening tools can satisfy your indoor and outdoor care of flowers and trees, such as pruning, digging, loosening the soil, aeration, and transplanting.
6.
Garden Tool Set, crystal stainless steel heavy-duty gardening tool set, premium garden tools. The gardening tool sets includes a large trowel, small trowel, cultivator, hand rake, weeder, pruning shears and an Oxford cloth tote to keep all your tools packed away, which are robust, so you don't need to worry about rust and damage. High quality, enough durable to cut through thick weeds. Stainless steel garden tools are easier to fix up your garden.
7,
Garden Tool Set, Car Sold 10-piece stainless steel heavy-duty gardening tool set for digging, planting, pruning gardening kit with durable gardening bag, gloves, gift box, ideal garden gifts for women, men. Ergonomic handle tools, comfortable and soft non-slip rubber handle with clear finger grip and palm rest outline, which can play a leverage role, thereby reducing fatigue of hands and wrists during work. It is very easy to grasp and ergonomic, and also suitable for the elderly suffering from arthritis. You can easily hold it in your hand for gardening work. Citybay Garden Tools Set, 10 pieces stainless steel heavy-duty gardening tools set with folding saw, excellent quality. The yard tools set is made of thickened stainless steel, which increases the hardness and strength of each tool. Citybay landscaping tools are tested to be corrosion-resistant, non-deformable and durable. It is lightweight, so you can use it flexibly for gardening work, and your hands are not easily fatigued. If you need product support, please contact our excellent customer service team via the Amazon and they will be happy to respond to your query.